Hello folks, this is my channel Impact FX and I'm going to share uh, analysis of British pound pairs with you, and today I've chosen to share my analysis for British pound and Swiss franc for you. So this is the daily chart I've created and I wanted to share with you. So as you can see right now, pound and Swiss franc, this pair is moving in a descending channel. As you can see, I've drawn this here. So you can see this descending channel here. So right now this is moving in descending channel. You can see this, and this here we have a major support level. Here you can see the price has bounced up and bounced down a lot of times from this area. So that means this is a very strong one of the key level for this pair. So when this pair comes to this point, which I think is going to take some time because right now it's quite far above this point, so when the price comes here, then we're going to have to watch if this bounces from here, and we can make a potential decent profitable trade from here. So let's take a look what is happening to the pair right now. I'm gonna show you here. Okay, so this is the high for this pair in April. That was the April high point where the pair went and then started falling down. So right now it is in a descending channel, and as you can see, this touches the lower line and the upper line and just moves in between the descending channel. So this is respecting these trend lines. So, and there's a major support here at the bottom, and on top here it's a major resistance. So I've drawn these zones for you guys so you can see. So let's move on to, this is like a bigger view, a wider view of this pair. Let's move on to the 4-hour chart and see what is happening there. Okay, so here we can see the descending channel more closely, and as you can see the resistance zones which I draw here, you can see the price is respecting these zones and bounce back from these particular zones after touching them. You can see the long big candle, how long these candles are. So okay, so recently, if you want to see the recent movement, the price touched the lower line of descending channel and moved up. So if you had this descending channel drawn, you could have taken, for example, I'm just giving an example because you could have taken entry here as well, but let's take an example of here. So if you took an entry after the first bullish candle close above this lower line of the trend, the lower trend line of the descending channels. So here you can see, for example, if we take an entry here and you can place a stop loss, let's say 50 pip, okay, and aim for an RR, risk and reward, of 2. So let's see here. Okay, look at this. So this could have been a very decent trade. You could have catch some nice pip from this trade. Let me show you. Hold on. You can see here. So this very easily went here, and there was a little bit drawdown. Yes, let's take a look how much drawdown there was. 612, and okay, so there was around 30 pips drawdown, but still this trade I mean, could have been profitable if you had this descending channel drawn with you. So one, you could have won this trade, then again the price came to here, the upper line of descending channels. So for example, if you shorted on the bearish candle close, for example, let's say we take this candle, or if you want to be more careful, then we can open trade here and place your stop loss just above this candle here, or sorry, we can place it here, previous high, this one. So you can see this is 40 pips stop loss, and you could again aim for risk and reward ratio of 2. You can see here this trade played out very nicely and could have given nice profit whoever took this trade. So this is how you can take simple, trades following the basic market resistance and support zone. So this is what I wanted to show to you. Now take a look what is happening in more smaller time frames. So here you can see here we have another descending channel in 1 hour time frame, and price is, you can see, nicely respecting this as well. And this was the yesterday. If you had taken this trade, for example, after the candle closed below this upper trend line, you could have taken the trade here and place your stop loss just above this candle, previous high, and aim for, if you want to go for 2, so let's see, we could have gained 24 pips, but if you trailed this trade, then you could have taken more. For example, let's see, 50 pips. Yeah, you could have taken 50 pips off this trade as well. So this is how you can trade this pair repeatedly, just using the basic market structure. So here again, you could have the opportunity to short this pair and make some decent pips. You could have placed your stop loss just above this previous high, and you can see here you could have gained 32 pips from this. And same way you could have taken the trades, long trade as well, but because this is in a downtrend, yeah, so I would prefer short trades, more safe than long trades. So that is the reason first we looked at the daily time frame, the larger, bigger time frames, where the market is headed. But right now the market's direction is, you can see it's going down. So that is the reason we will focus on selling it more unless it breaks the structure, which is get out of here. Then we're going to look for this level where we had drawn the resistance. So we are going to see if this price reaches here, so we can take a trade, long trade from here to here, target this area. This could have been an intraday trade because this is going to take some time for this trade to go here. So, and if the price breaks from here, then definitely this is the second level that this could test. So this is how you can trade using simple market structures without using any complex indicators or anything. You don't need to do anything. You just have to mark your chart like this, and then take entries which can be profitable to you. So this is how it is. You can see here how this pair is moving. So this is it for today, guys. I'm going to be posting more analysis with more pairs of British pounds. So this is my new channel. I've just set this channel to share my knowledge with you people. So make sure you hit the like button and leave me a comment if there's anything, any pairs analysis you want to see. I would be more than happy to share that in the next video for you. And leave your feedback, how you like the chart. If there's anything that you want me to correct, you want me to do in a better way, please leave your feedback in the comments. And you can mark this chart same on your MT4 or your trading view. So, and for this pair, if you're interested in trading British pound and Swiss franc, make sure to subscribe the channel, guys. So when I post a new analysis, you will get a notification and you won't miss it. Thank you so much. This is it for today. Thank you.